Madison, Wisconsin. And we've got a Kone Delta. Was not expecting to see this. This is at 10 West Mifflin. Look at that. Whoa. That pushes like innovation. I've never seen Delta like that. I guess the chime doesn't work. Or the lantern. Look at that. Rare find. Those are locked. Up to 4.
Floor -1.
I guess it's not. This elevator isn't in the best shape, I hate to say.
Floor -2.
Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. What? And it just canceled that? This thing is kind of messed up.
Fourth floor.
Jeez, a bunch of these buttons are burnt out.
Main entrance.
Still cool to see those fixtures though. Let's get a view of the lantern. Let's see the chime. Anyway, that's it.